The topic we're going to address is how to make your husband feel more secure. And I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. We've been doing this for over 20 years. And I want you to know that the insecurity that he's feeling probably isn't caused by you as much as what's going on in the world. Men are being attacked, it seems, from every angle. And it's true that it used to be a quote-unquote man's world, and you might say this is the reaction. The pendulum is swinging. But men are told now to not be masculine. They're told that they're sexist, racist, misogynist. It's a little bit difficult. They never know what to do. If a man is a gentleman, he could be accused of hitting on a woman. So in general, it's very difficult for men these days. And as his wife, you want the man. You want the real man. There's a deep subconscious reason for a gender-specific person to marry the other gender. Men are marrying women who will provide them unconditional love, or at least the effort should be made by you to give unconditional love. And truly, that effort will make you much happier. Your husband will see the outer sort of indicators that that is your intention, but we only feel unconditional love when we give it because of how our mind is set up with its filters and all of that. So you want your husband to feel worthwhile. Let's exchange the word. Instead of secure, let's change it to worthwhile. Or let's come up with another word. Important, valuable. You know, a thesaurus comes in handy right now. Before I go any further, I would ask you to subscribe to this channel so you could learn about marriage. And I don't say that tongue-in-cheek. Other people don't understand marriage, and we do. Your husband's need for love is the paramount need that he has. He is a soul. You're a soul. And a soul possesses a body and possesses a mind. We're not a body and we're not a mind. But we've lost track of that in this material world. And when I say material world, I don't mean it's just about money. But we operate on this plane of materialism, where feeling good is important, where possessions are important, having safety is important, all these things are important. What we have done is we have lost touch with what is most important, which is that sense of love. I'm going to give you an example. You've no doubt gone to weddings, as I have, and there's a moment while the couple is exchanging vows, and I know you've experienced this, where you just feel this overwhelming love. I love talking about it because I get chills, because every wedding you go to, you get that feeling. And that love is so powerful. Think about this now. The mind doesn't know where to go with it, because love is much bigger than the mind. The mind deals in the material world. Love is above the material world. It's transcendental. It's metaphysical. It's spiritual. Love is why we get married. And guess what? When you learn how to love unconditionally as a woman, your husband will be so enthralled with you because you will be giving him everything that he's ever wanted. Now, I am not talking about act unconditionally loving, talking about be unconditionally loving, and let all of your actions, actions are thoughts, speech, and then actual things that we do, let those come from this love that you become. And I guarantee you, your husband will not be insecure at all. He will understand by your being that. And again, don't tell me you have been, because if you tell me that, I am telling you right now, if we were sitting in my office together, in a couple of sentences, I would have you admitting that, no, you don't do that. You don't love unconditionally, even though you may act that way. It's very different. If you were loving him unconditionally, he would be secure. It is just how it goes. What am I talking about? What is this guy talking about? So, as I said before, you're a soul, he's a soul. The soul is nothing but love. But we behave from a place of thinking, mostly a place of reacting. Something happens, we see something, we hear something, we feel something, and we react. We don't even think about it. So it's not coming from the heart. It's calculated from the mind. And that's what I'm talking about. You need to come from the heart. How do you do it? Now, this is something they should have been teaching us when we were growing up, and no one knew about it, much less taught it to us. So you could read one of my books, you could take the course for women, you could for sure listen to these videos, and you start to get a sense of it. It's a very deep topic, but marriage is a very deep thing. It provides the ultimate in terms of giving us our needs of love and happiness. So of course it's deep. Literally, the two of you should be floating in love and happiness. That's what marriage is a vehicle for. So, you want to help your husband feel secure? Don't do things, but redirect your own energy. Become this heart, which is, after all, what you are anyway, but become it. It's a process, granted, and the Course for Women really helps people through it, but there's other ways. I'm sure you'll be creative and come up with something. So my name is Paul Friedman. Please like the video. Please leave a comment. Thank you for visiting, and I hope we see each other again. Take care.